Hey y'all, as y'all can see my hair is soaking wet. Well, it's drier. I just gotta brush it out and then I'm gonna show you guys how I use my new Revlon, I'm not sure the actual name of it, but I just call it the brush hair dryer. We're gonna see how this works. So first things first, I'm putting in my heat protectant. I still have to brush it out, but I like to put in my heat protectant first. Now I take my wet brush. Sorry if I'm out of frame. I'm recording on my iPhone, so if that helps any. And my hair is parted down the middle just for right now. Okay, now we're gonna part my hair. Just using a scrunchie. The most important part will be like this part up here. I have used this a few times, but never really like in full effect of how, like, you know, they say to use it. I just kind of use it to brush it out as I am doing it. So it is very loud, so you're not gonna be able to hear me. But I already have it plugged in. Excuse all the hair. They have an off, cool, low, and high setting. I like to do it on the high setting just because my hair is really wet. Plus I have somewhere to be in like an hour. So let's get this started. Okay, I have you guys sitting up on some medicine stuff. Just ignore these towels, okay? And ignore my shower. I'm just trying to get this to show y'all. Okay, here we go. You see that so far? And it's super, super soft. Like, I just cannot tell you how soft because it's super soft. But I'm gonna keep going over it till it's dry. You see the difference right now? Okay, so I'm gonna continue to do like the rest of my head. Okay, so this is the bottom layer. I didn't section it off like the world's greatest or anything, but this is just how I'm doing it, how I do it, and my hair is always super soft, and I just love the way it looks. So we're gonna take down this top section and do the rest of our hair. Okay, so we have this top section down. We're just gonna brush through our hair really quick with our regular brush, well, wet brush. And my hair's not parted perfectly, but I'm gonna end up parting it the way I want my hair parted, because I always have it to the side, because I'm a side part type of person. Like that. So now we're gonna focus on this side, and then we'll focus on this side here in a minute. Again, we're gonna put it on the high setting. So this side, it's already done. Look at that. It's just so pretty, and it's straight, and it's super soft. I can just easily run my hands through it. I so love this thing. So now we're gonna do this side. It may take a little bit longer, and I'm really focusing like right here to give it some volume. So here we go. So sorry about that. Let's continue. So that took like no time. And this is my hair. It's super soft, and I love it so much. You can tell the volume, and I just, like, look at that. Put it behind my ears so you guys can see. And my hair has gotten a lot longer. I actually gave myself a trim not too long ago, so it's a little bit shorter. It's super soft, and I don't know if it helps really like your hair with anything, or if it like damages it or anything, but I only use it maybe once or twice a week whenever I do wash my hair, since I only wash my hair once or twice a week, but show you the back. Like, it's still a little damp in some places, but I don't mind it because it got the job done. It has what I want done. Like, I don't mind my hair being like a little bit wet. So, and then you can, since I'm getting out in the sun more, you can tell my highlights are coming in. But yes, I definitely recommend this. I got mine at Ulta. You can get it at Ulta. You can get it at Target. Pretty sure you can get it at Walmart. Only thing I don't like is that I still have like flyaways, but I always have flyaways. There's really nothing I can do about that. So, but yeah, I just want to show you how I use this thing and tell you how much I love it, and it's great. Definitely recommend it. It's so worth the money. They come in 2 different colors. I just got this color because hello, blue, me and blue, you guys know. So, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!